Hello everyone. So now we are going to see what is beef and the installation and the working process of this beef in details in this video. So before that you have to install this beef on your system. So let's start. To install this beef you have to give command as apt-get install beef-xss, and using this command you can install this beef on your system. Now I will tell you what is this beef and how it exactly works. So beef is a browser exploitation framework which is a penetration testing tool that is used for web browser because there is a increasing in the number of web-borne attacks in today's world. So therefore beef allows the professional testers for the actual security of a target environment by using clients and attack vectors. And for installing this beef, first you have to check that is your Linux is supporting this Ruby 2.5 version or not. If it is not supporting, then you can add the repositories in your system, and then you can install this beef framework on your system. And I think it supports only Mac OS and Linux. So here you can see the default username and the password for beef, and I will recommend to change your password of this beef. And on this web page you can see the online browsers and the offline browsers. We will see in details about what exactly it means, and on the right side you can see all the detailed information about this beef framework. There is a hooked browsers and other information about. So in this getting started, first you have to click on this, so you can get started with this, and we will see about these details in further part. So now let me log out from this because I have to create one HTML page. Now you can access this beef from your exploitation tool. It will take some time to start your beef. Enter your password. And first let me create one HTML page on this specified path. You have to create one index.html file. Now I will open one terminal here, and we will give command as nano space index.html to create this file, and enter some text inside this index file. now we will list out all the files, and here you can see there is one index.html file is created. We will open that file, and you can see the text which we have entered in our HTML page. You can see on our web page now. So now we will just copy this URL, and we will paste it in our web browser, so that you can see how this BIF framework works. Now you have to just make one change, that you have to add your IP address on behalf of update 127.0.0.1. So just copy your IP address using ifconfig command and just paste it there, and then just press the enter key. Now here you can see the framework is open, and enter username and password, and then you can see the zombies of online and offline browsers. So we will click on the online browser zombies, and we will click on commands. So there are the bunch of commands which was specified this framework, and you can use any of them to run your web browser or to run this BIF framework. So first we will check with this alert dialog. So we will enter some data here, like welcome to Kali Linux, and we will see how it exactly works. So click on this execute, and now here you can see one pop-up open which shows that welcome to Kali Linux message, like this. And you can create many commands like this. So let me show some different commands. We will see some that prompt dialog, and just like alert dialog, you can enter the message here and click on execute, and then here you can see one pop-up, and whatever you write here you will get the result in your command results. Now we will see the result. Yes, here you can see the result of your command. So there are different commands which was given by this framework, and you can use many of them. So let me show you this one. We will use this replace content. So now in this you can replace the content. I am writing there it is fun to learn the Kali Linux, and you can change the title too. So I am changing title Kali Linux 2020, and if you want to change the IP address you can change, or keep it as it is, and then just write, then just execute it, and we will see the result. Now on this web page you can see the result, that it is a fun to learn the Kali Linux. Now we will try some different commands. So in social engineering I will show another commands. Now here I have selected the Facebook, and in current logo I will just paste my IP address, and I will change the further path using slash. Then you can specify your path, and just click on execute, and now we will check our results. Now currently not showing anything. Now we will enter some our email address. Now I am entering my email address, and enter the password. Now it is not visible to you what I am typing here right now. Now just click on login, but now we will check in our command results. Now here you can see what password I have entered on that Facebook session. or on that Facebook page. Just like these, there are different mini commands which was provided by this framework. So use them and try to execute them and see their results. And if you have any doubts, just comment me in my comment box, and I will clear all your doubts. And thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.